Waterjet cutters. Do you need a good, clean cut file? Well, with Logic Trace, all I have to do is trace the outline with the pen stylus. I'm using lines and arcs, so I get a very good, clean, accurate file. Switch here to a line, back to an arc. So I just do the outline with lines, arcs, circles. I can even do curves. There it is, it looks great. Now let's do some circles. I'm going to do a 3-point circle, click start. The circles, all I have to do is digitize any 3 points on the circle. It gives me the option of changing the diameter if I want to. There's the first one. So with the Logic Trace system, all I have to do is trace an outline. I'm going to get a very accurate DXF file that's got vectors with lines, arcs, and curves and circles. And then I can save that file as a file on my computer, load it into my Waterjet machine, and cut it out. It looks great. Let's save the file.